Welcome, today with XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere app. So first step, just go here to the Play Store and here in the search pool type Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap here to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installing on your device. Now just here tap to open. Here click yes, I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And right now, as can you see, your battery temperature is between 32 and 6. Also, you can see here more information about your battery. That's good. You can see also the Android version, the model of your phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.